Hello everyone, I have an order for a 6mm glass pastel bead bracelet and I thought I would show you how I make it. So you need your cutters or a pair of scissors, and I'm using 0.8mm elastic, and I've gone ahead and made the pattern that I want, and it's 20 centimeters, which is a 7.8-inch bracelet, so it's for a large wrist. I would suggest cutting a 12-inch piece of elastic. This is slightly longer. I've got a bulldog clip on the end to stop the beads from falling off. And then we just start threading. Please excuse my nails. We actually went walking at Exmoor National Park yesterday to a place called Heddon's Mouth. I've done a video if you want to go and have a look, and you end up at a beach, and it's a very rocky beach, and we were climbing down and my nails broke. I've chipped on my nail varnish, that's why they look such a mess. But it was a lovely day out, very tiring, but I would recommend if you like walking. It was supposed to be an easy walk, but they closed off part of the route due to heavy rainfall and flooding and erosion. We had to do quite a bit of walking up and down, and my legs certainly feel it today. So I hope you have a good day. It's Sunday today. What have you all been up to? Let me know in the description below. Maybe you've been making jewellery or gone out for the day. I think these beads are very pretty. I love pastel colours. I think I'm just going to speed this up for you. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Lots of the supplies are available on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and I'm also available on Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description below. And the last bead. as you can see, it's way too long, so I need to cut some of this off. So remove the ball dog clip. I always give a good stretch before tying. Right, let's cut some of this off. You need about 12 inches in length. So now we're going to do a normal, as if we're tying our shoelaces. Give it a stretch. And then we are going to do another knot, but we are going to go around twice to create a surgeon's knot, which I'll show you. Can you see I've gone round twice? And then pull. And then I'm going to tie it the opposite way that I first tied the knot. And then pull, and then another normal one on top. And that's it. Take our cutters or scissors. And there's our pastel glass beaded bracelet. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.